Hi, this is Marquise Melendez, and this is part 2 of my video. It just made it more convenient to make a second one. So now I'm going to be answering the question absolute value of x plus 3 minus 9 less than or equal to positive 1. Oop, negative 1. I'm sorry. I misread the question I was supposed to be doing. Okay. So, to start off with, first we're going to just simplify this because you want to isolate the absolute value. So you're going to cancel out the 9 by adding 9 to negative 9. And you're going to move it over to this side. So you're going to add 9 to negative 1. So after that, you're going to be left with the absolute value of x plus 3 less than 9, right? My bad, not 9, 8. So just a little side note, if an absolute value can never be a negative, because it's the distance from 0. So you can't be the negative distance from 0. Anyways, getting to the question. So once you do this, to find out the answer, you're going to break it into 2, because you're going to have x plus 3 is less than or equal to 8, and then you're going to have x plus 3 negative 8. Now, when you change this to a negative 8, oops, you don't need these bars. I'm going to go ahead and just rewrite this problem. When you change it to a negative 8, you actually end up flipping the sign. And so then from here, you're just going to work it out. It's going to be x plus 3 less than or equal to 8. So to find the answer for this, you just subtract 3. Subtract 3. It's going to be x less than or equal to 8 minus 3 is going to be 5. Then from here, x plus 3, subtract the 3, minus 3, 8 minus 3. You're going to end up with x is greater than or equal to 11. So that's going to be your answer. Negative 11, I'm sorry. And then once you have these two, then you're going to put it on a number line. So just to make that number line really quickly, we're going to put a 0 here. And just a neat little trick that I was actually taught is that whichever way the sign's facing is actually going to tell you which way the line's going to be going. So here is going to be our 5, and then on the other side is going to be our negative 11. So because the sign is facing this way, this is the direction our line's going to be going. And because there's a line under here, we're going to do a closed circle, not an open one. And then the line's going to go all the way down to this side to here, which is also going to have a closed circle because there's a closed circle here. So this would be your answer. Whichever one looks better.